Welcome to the deep dive into the power adapter market. Power adapters are essential components used to convert electrical energy. They are utilized in various devices, from smartphones to laptops. The global demand for power adapters continues to grow. This report analyzes key market trends and dynamics. The AC/DC power adapter market is valued at $1,386.5 million in 2024. Valued at $1,386.5 million in 2024. Healthy growth is projected in the upcoming years. Various types of power adapters are available in the market. Sustainability is becoming a significant consideration for manufacturers. Consumer preferences are also shifting towards quick charging solutions. Join us as we explore this exciting market further. For more information, visit our website.